What does kennelled mean? The word kennelled comes from the verb kennel, which means to place a dog or another animal in a kennel or shelter. It describes the act of housing or confining an animal, usually for safety, training, or temporary care. Definition of kennelled. Kennelled is the past tense of kennel. It refers to a situation where an animal, particularly a dog, has been placed inside a kennel, shelter, or designated enclosure. This term is often used in pet care, animal shelters, and dog training. Kennelled synonyms: sheltered, caged, housed, confined, boarded, enclosed. Examples of kennelled in sentences. The rescue dogs were kennelled overnight before their adoption. We kennelled our dog while we went on vacation. After being found on the streets, the stray dog was kennelled at a local shelter. Why is kenneling important? Kenneling is a safe way to protect pets when owners are away. It ensures animals receive proper food, shelter, and medical care in a secure environment. Many professional dog trainers also recommend kennels for behavior training.